Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the silver price has moved in the last 2 days and how the silver price can move in the coming 2 days. See, if we look at this chart, what we can see that the silver price is moving in a particular range, and if we look at the range also, it is like this. Okay, so once this range will come down, see, look at this, if it breaks upside or downside, we can see further good movement in the price of silver. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding silver, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. And please watch the full video, then you will understand how the silver price is moving. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description. See, I have already suggested you that once the price goes above 23 in my previous video, that it can go further high. Now you can see it's trading at around 23.70. Okay, because a pattern was forming in this particular, see a pattern, how you can see a trend line was forming, and after that it has made a sharp rise. Those who have watched my videos, they might know, or those who are my members, they know that where to buy and where to sell. See, look at this now. What we can see, a trend is forming at this level. Okay, a resistance, a high it has made of around 23.68, okay, around 3.7, and a low of around 23.54. so what we can see here, that once this level is only tested here once, so chances are high that if it comes down a little low and then again if it bounce back, then we can see that it can touch a level of 23.82. okay, once 23.82 is touched, because this level is also tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can go and touch a level of 23.96, and we know that this 96 was also tested twice, so chances will be high that it can go and touch a level of 24.05. okay, once this 24.05 is touched, okay, then we can see that it can go and touch a level of 24.192, and if it goes above that level, then we can see a level of 24.37815, and if it goes above that level, then we can see a level of 24.5134. okay, now if suppose this is, and if it goes above this level, then we can see there can be an upside in the price of silver, can go to a level of 24.587, and then can go to a level of 25 also. okay, but suppose if the price goes below a level of 23.57, okay, and which is next support is 23.53. suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 23.33. okay, and once this 23.3, if it goes more below that level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 23.25. okay, and suppose if the price goes below than that below, then we can see a level of 23.100. okay, and suppose if the price goes more below than that, then we have seen that this level is already tested twice, a level of 22.99, so chances will be very high that it can go and touch a level of 22.88, and once this level is touched 22.88, then we can see that it can go further low, okay, and can touch a level of 22.128. okay, so this is what you have to keep in mind. Suppose if the price comes close to a level of 22.9, then there is chances that it can go further low to a level of 22.128 also. So hope you like the video of silver, and if you are watching it, please like it, because I have seen that people are watching and don't subscribing. Please look, if you think that this is making your a worth of knowledge for your in trading, please share and subscribe my channel. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.